Hello everybody, welcome to School of Word Power. My name is Amit Sanger and you are watching the fastest vocabulary learning program. Let's start Conceptual plus Method lecture second. Orate is the word. Write an alphabet O and another word rate. Connect this alphabet and the word rate by using a plus sign, as I have told you in a previous lecture. Now the word is orate. Orate means भाषण देना, and the English explanation of the orate word is speak pompously. This type we can solve the first word. Move on to the next. The word is candid. Write one side can, can. As we know, can is a helping verb and did is also a helping verb. Write this side can and another side did. You can easily see it. This word candid is generated by connecting two helping verbs. Candid means, in Hindi the meaning of candid is spasht. Two similar word of candid is frank and another is outspoken. So this word candid, you can think it as a complex word, but how that complex word is designed? By using two helping verb. Move on to the next word, that is flippant. Write one side flip and another side pant. So we will write one side FLIP, flip. Flip means उछाल कर फेंकना. Flip means उछाल कर फेंकना. उछाल कर फेंकना. Similar word of flip is toss. Another is flick. Another is flick. Move on to the next. Right here PANT, pant. Hindi meaning of pant is hafna. Hindi meaning of pant is hafna. English explanation of this word is breathe with short quick breaths. Breathe with short quick breaths. Hafna. Now the generated word is flippant. Flippant means गंभीरता रहित. गंभीरता रहित. English explanation of flippant, not showing serious attitude. Not showing serious attitude. Move on to the next word. Cannot is given. Write one side con, con. Con is a root word. Con is a root word. Write one side con and another side note, NOTE, note. Journal word note. So one side we will write con. This is a root word, and another side we will write a word note. Easy word note. When we will connect both the words, now the generated word is connote. English Similar word of connote is imply, and हिंदी मीन ऑफ द connote कोई बात सूचित करना, कोई बात सूचित करना. So first, second, third, four word we have discussed. Now move on to the fifth number word. This fifth number word is generated by using a single alphabet and the two different words. So first alphabet is O. Right here O. And another word is ASS, that we use most of the time in our sentences, as. And this is the helping verb, is. This is the helping verb. Now the generated word is oasis. Generated word is oasis. Oasis, the Hindi explanation of the oasis word is रेगिस्तान के बीच में हरी जगह या हरी भूमि. English explanation of oasis word is a small fertile or green land in the desert region. So you can go through an English explanation too. Now move on to the next word. Gainsay is given. Write one side GAIN, gain, and another side SAY, say. Write one side GAIN, gain. Gain means लाभ, profit वाला लाभ, and SAY, say. When we will combine both the words, now the generated word is Gainsay. Similar word of Gainsay is deny. हिंदी मीन इनकार करना. हिंदी मीन इज इनकार करना. Move on to the next word, ODD, odd. ODD, odd, and BALL, ball. The generated word will be oddball. Write one side ODD, odd, BALL, ball. Both the words has the mean. दोनों ही word का मतलब है. ODD, BALL, oddball. Oddball means this word contain two sense, first and second. Oddball हिंदी mean विचित्र. You can say it strange. You can say it strange. And another mean is सन की व्यक्ति. सन की व्यक्ति. English explanation of second number, a strange or eccentric person. A strange or eccentric person. When we will take the sound, when we will take the mean of सन की व्यक्ति, that means it refer to noun, and when we will take the mean विचित्र, it will refer to adjective. तो adjective के सेंस में विचित्र होगा, noun के सेंस में सन की व्यक्ति. वर्ड यही होगा, oddball. Move on to the next word, backlash. Write this side BACK, back, and another side lash. Lash means चाबुक मारना. BACK, back, LASH, lash. Lash means चाबुक मारना. This word is similar to the word flog. Backlash is the word. हिंदी मीन ऑफ बैकलैश वर्ड तीखी प्रतिक्रिया. तीखी प्रतिक्रिया. And English explanation of backlash word is strong, negative reaction to something. Okay, now move on to the next. Bro beat word is given. Write one side bro and another side beat. Right here BROW, bro. Another side BEAT, beat. The word will be bro beat. Similar word of bro beat is bully. BULLY. Bro beat means धमकाना. Bro beat means धमकाना. Move on to the next word, low bro. Right here low and another side bro. Connect both the words. The word is low bro. Low bro means मंद बुद्धि. Low bro means मंद बुद्धि. English explanation, not highly intellectual. So from the beginning to till end, we have all discussed all the words. Now, one thing you all have observed from here, we have taken 2 or 3 words. Sometimes we have taken an alphabet and combined 3 words or the 2 words and generated a complex word. 90% we have seen both the words which we have taken that have the mean, and the generated word has also mean. Okay, so this time when we will go through the single word, at one time when we are creating or generating a single word, more 2 words we are also learning from there. So this concept is too much unique. Learn it and go through with these all the concept. Till then, for this time it is sufficient. In the next lecture we will meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.